What's up? Karong adlaw luto na to ang the infamous lemon pepper salmon. Salmon. A wise man once said that a simple man cannot cook the legendary salmon. Para gani makaluto mo og lemon pepper salmon, you need these following ingredients. Extra olive oil. Make sure it is virgin. Some black pepper, iodized salt, and these lovely lemons. Lemons! It's the circle of life. Salmon! The secret technique in making the legendary salmon is to make sure the salmon is dry. Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of Monica.
Little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Eric.
And pepper. Put some pepper on it. Oh yeah. Then some olive oil. Secret in cooking the salmon is about the touching. You must massage gently. Ato sa initon ang pan para mulami ang pagkaon. Tangan diyan mo garlic. Yeah, kadong what's the moment of truth. Oh yeah, salmon. Secret ay kamot ra man gagamiton. Kadaluto na ako salmon ba? Makadamdam niyo sa akong ex. Pero wa pa ko kauyab. Oh!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Shattered dreams and broken hearts.
Natingala kang anong ga formal ko. Naway ka date karon. Na yung mga tao mga tanan ako ba? Huwag na daw forever. Akong tubag. Wala.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. One last cry, one last cry.
Look at that, bro. Look at that. The legendary salmon, bro.
Hold up. Yeah.
Love the video, like and subscribe. Salud.